In this video, we're going to be working on finishing on disassembling the motor. So as you can see, the oil pan is still on, front timing case cover is still on, and the head itself is still on. Originally, I wasn't going to replace the head gasket, but after all the cleaning, I saw like this residue of, I'm assuming this is coolant or whatever it is, but it's coming from the gasket itself. Like I said, I don't really know much about this motor. I don't know if it was overheated. I don't know if this thing was even running. I didn't want to slap the motor in, and then next thing you know, I turn it on and there's a whole bunch of white smoke coming out because of the head gasket. Let's just get right into it and see what we find about this thing. And we're going to start at the van off solenoids. Oh my God, it's right hand thread. So, as you guys just saw me struggling, these two caps and then these cover the bolts that connect to the actual cams, it looks like. And if you guys saw me with this one, it's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So I almost completely snapped this one. So, in the process of taking off this guide, this side was already loose. So I took off that bolt and this chunk literally just came out. So it's a good thing we're going through the whole motor because I will get that ordered. Another issue that we ran into is my socket isn't small enough to fit into this little area. So it looks like we'll just worry about taking off the cams and then we will get that guide off. So guys, I'm a little bit scared to do this part because I don't want to bend these cams. I don't know if I'm going to be reusing these or if I'm going to go with the upgraded ones, but just in case that I am going to be reusing these, I don't want to bend them. Oh, look at that, guys. So this one you can actually feel grooves in here. Like this catches my nail. And the worst one I think is this one. Catches my nail pretty bad. But for now, let's start taking off this intake can. So, intake side looks way better. There's absolutely no scoring or anything like that. So it looks like we might just have to get a tray for this side. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to loosen these because all I got is this and this. So we'll see. I think our budget just got a little bit more expensive. We can see what blew up in there. Kobe! I'm honestly surprised that there's no bent valves or anything. They're super dirty. We took a pretty big L, but let's see if our oil pan fits. There's the S52 oil pan. The only difference I see is this baffle right here. Yeah, that's the only difference I see, is that baffle. This has like little half cutout. Just because I saw one of the cams were kind of messed up, I'm gonna check the rest of these bearings. So yeah, there it is, guys. After taking out the pistons and rods, these cylinders don't really look too bad. In this video, we kind of took a couple L's, but hey, motor doesn't seem too bad itself. So it's nothing that we can't fix. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, if you have any tips and tricks for the motor or the build itself, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.